Brian Sensei here. Have you ever wanted to create an animated character that talks just like you? Like this one.
Hey there. Welcome to Tech Tips with Brian Sensei. This video is gonna blow your mind.
Pretty cool, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make one of these for free using Adobe Express. Let's dig in. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open up our favorite internet browser. Then head on over to adobe.com/express. You'll find a link in the description below. Okay, once you're here, you're going to click on Get Adobe Express Free and get signed up. All right, once you're in, you're going to see this dashboard. Now, in order to create the character animator, we're simply going to go up here and do a search. Character animator and hit search. Okay, and you'll see it right here at the top, animate characters. We'll click here. When the app loads, the first thing you're going to want to do is select your character. We have a variety of different characters to choose from, and you can also narrow it down by category. I can click here, and in this scenario, I'm going to create an animated character for my School of Rock. So I'm going to go down here to the music category. All right, so I have a variety of different characters to choose from. We got some drummers, some guitar players. Oh, and we've even got robot characters. Pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and select Martin here and use him as my character. Okay, and the next thing we can do is select our background. You'll notice here that we have a transparent background, and you can actually go with that as well. I'm going to go ahead and provide a background for my character. And here we have a variety of different backgrounds that we can choose from. This looks kind of cool, although this is also kind of hip as well. There are so many great background options to choose from. And we can also click here and narrow down by category if we want to get something more specific. All right, now the third option here is the size of your video. So in here you can see we have different aspect ratios for specific social media platforms. In this case, we have Instagram, we can go square, we can do a reel, portrait, etc. We can also click here on the aspect ratio, and we can choose other social media platforms that we plan to upload our video to. I'm just going to go with a square look here. The other thing I want to call out is that you can click on your character, and I'll go back to the character tab here, and down below we have scale. So if you want to adjust the scale so that your character fits entirely within the video, you can do that down here with the slider. I'm going to put him right about here so the guitar is entirely in the frame. Okay, so now that I have all of that set, the final thing to do is to record the message that I would like this character to say. I'll simply come down here and click record. Notice here there's an enhance speech option. This will make the voice recordings sound as if they were recorded in a professional studio. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. Okay, and now all I have to do is hit record. Hey there, welcome to Brian Sensei's School of Rock, where you can learn how to play instruments and sing like a true rock star. We're taking on new students all the time, so give us a call whenever you're ready. Click done. And it says hang tight, just generating your preview. All right, now notice here it says download your MP4 or Open in Adobe Express to add filters, text, animations, and more. Over on the left, I can click play to preview it. Let's take a look.
Hey there, welcome to Brian Sensei's School of Rock, where you can learn how to play instruments and sing like a true rock star. We're taking on new students all the time, so give us a call whenever you're ready.
Nice! That is so cool. So you notice there that the character moves and even plays the guitar while saying my exact recording. All right, here, if you're ready to download it, you can go ahead and download the video and use it as you like. Over on the right though, let's check this out because we can open it in Editor and add some more effects to it. All right, so over here on the left, you'll notice that you can add a variety of different elements. We're going to click on the Add button. Here you can see we have the opportunity to upload our own content, or we can access media such as photos. We can access elements such as background shapes, icons, and charts and grids. Alternatively, you can click Add Text and add text to your video. You'll also notice down here at the bottom in our timeline, we have Add Audio. I'm going to go ahead and add some audio to this since, this kid is playing guitar. So I'll click on Add Audio. And here we have sound effects, but down below that we have some acoustic music. I'm going to go ahead and view all. And here I can preview the music. I think I like this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the title and look at that. It adds it right to my timeline and cuts it off right where the video ends. Now over here, you'll notice I can do fade in or fade out or both fading in and out. I think I'll do both here. And let's go ahead and see how this sounds.
Hey there, welcome to Brian Sensei's School of Rock.
All right, that sounds good, except that the music is a little bit too loud. So I can go ahead and come up here to the volume slider and bring this down a bit. All right, let's try that.
You can learn how to play instruments and sing like a true rock star.
That sounds good. All right, so I'm now ready to go ahead and export this video. Up here at the top, I'm going to click on Download. And we want our MP4 video format. Here for the resolution, we can select that. We'll go ahead and keep it at original size and download. Okay, and it's all done. Up here we can see the file has downloaded to my downloads folder, and I'll go ahead and open the file.
Hey there, welcome to Brian Sensei's School of Rock, where you can learn how to play instruments and sing like a true rock star. We're taking on new students all the time, so give us a call whenever you're ready.
Nice! I love it. Okay, so now I have that video and I can use it on my website. What I'll do is upload that to YouTube and I'll embed that YouTube video on my website. Now, your other option here is to share your video directly to social media and other platforms. Under Share, you're going to see that you can share it with specific people. You can copy a link that is available to anyone. You can also allow commenting. Then down here, you can save it to the cloud, make a template, share to social, or show all. Let's take a look at all of the options here. So we got your different social media platforms you can post it to. You can save it to online cloud drives, and there's your download. Okay, and that is how you use the character animator in Adobe Express. If you liked this video, Please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.